how to wirelessly charge the iPhone from the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, on your Galaxy phone, tap on the home button, then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then we scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on battery, then we go down and tap on wireless power sharing. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now scroll down and check your battery limit. So at the moment on this device, it has set to 50%. So make sure your battery is all above 50% in order for you to be able to charge the iPhone. Now once this is turned on, you can simply place the phone back to back like this. So place an iPhone on top of the Samsung phone like this. And now it should start charging. Now you can see here it says charging. So the iPhone is now being charged using the battery from the Samsung phone. So that's pretty cool, right? So if you're running out of battery and really needed to boost some power, you can grab it from the Samsung Galaxy device using wireless charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.